This is a moral compass video, and I have combined two videos together from the past to post current.
Why do people donate to others who are not willing to work, who sit there and beg every single day for food, that you owe it to them, that because you're a ham and egger, and make it sound nasty, and it's something to take great pride in, that you're able to work and provide for yourself and your family food, vehicles, gas, everything that would make your life comfortable. These people do not deserve donations just because they're alive and breathing. Just remember about the National Park Service rangers who remove animals that beg. We should remove people that beg. Or better yet, you shouldn't donate to them. It's a sad situation when people give to them and it makes them lazier, and then they bash you because you don't give. We don't have to give, and we shouldn't give. Make them earn their own way. I want to talk to you today about the litmus test for determining if you should be donating money for GoFundMe's, PayPal's, whatever. And it doesn't have to be just YouTube, it's everyday life. A litmus test definition is something such as an opinion about a political or moral issue that is used to make a judgment about whether someone or something is acceptable. In other words, it's a moral compass. So let's take this as it deals with GoFundMe's. Here are some questions you need to ask. Is the person working? Why are they not working? Are they able-bodied and should be working? Or are they really too old to be working? If they're not working, why aren't they working? Do they have a medical problem? Are they free from drug or alcohol abuse? Do they have any underage dependent children? So if any of these questions are no, maybe you need to think, should I really give to this person? If they're not willing to help themselves, why should I be expected to help them? Are these people really your friends? Look at your litmus test. It will tell you whether this person truly deserves the help or if you're being conned. But I'd like to see people use these guidelines.
Hi everyone, this is Bruce and Jan, and we want to thank you for stopping by. Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and give a thumbs up.